Make a great choice today with the 2015 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, front-wheel drive, navigation system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.